Blackheads are small, dark lesions that appear on the skin, often on the face and neck. They are a feature of mild acne, but they can appear without other signs of acne being present. Blackheads happen when dead skin cells and oil clog your pores. Picking, squeezing, and popping blackheads could make your situation a lot worse. Fortunately, this blackhead removal mask will help address this issue. This mask is great for your skin because it is chock full of skin-healthy ingredients. If you have lots of blackheads, especially on your face, then this video is for you. Please watch the video until the very end to know how to use this beneficial mask. Ingredients: coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, a strong antimicrobial agent that destroys the bacteria that cause blackheads and acne. Also, coconut oil provides hydration. Peppermint and frankincense essential oils. This oil contains an astringent. It can protect skin cells while reducing pore size. Peppermint oil has a rejuvenating effect and can fight off bacteria. Turmeric. Turmeric contains anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce the appearance of blackheads. Also, turmeric acts as a great exfoliator. It helps in removing blackheads and dead skin cells. Here's how you make this fantastic blackhead removal mask. 2 teaspoons turmeric. 1 teaspoon organic brown rice flour or chickpea flour, 2 teaspoons natural plain yogurt, or 2 teaspoons olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil, ½ teaspoon honey, 1 drop peppermint essential oil, 1 drop frankincense essential oil. Instructions: add turmeric and rice flour into mixing bowl, stir until blended. Mix in yogurt and honey until a paste is formed. Add in essential oils and stir. Using an applicator brush, spread a thin layer of the blackhead removal mask onto your face and neck. Be sure to also cover the skin under your eyes, as this mixture can also help brighten dark circles. Leave on for 20 minutes, then wash. Use a makeup remover or toner to remove the remaining yellow debris on your face. Cleansing is best done twice each day, once in the morning and once again at the end of your day. If you work out or get sweaty during the day, you may want to wash your face again afterward. But be careful, try to avoid over-cleansing. This can dry out your skin and cause more dead skin cells and sebum to accumulate in your pores. If you like the video, then give it a like and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.